Welcome inside a massive lipstick factory, where millions are made with precision.
Today, you'll see the full step-by-step process, from raw materials to the final click of the cap.
Line 3, perfect flow.
First, strict hygiene. Cosmetics are made in controlled areas to keep everything clean and safe.
Gloves and net, check.
Lipstick starts with 3 key groups: waxes for structure, oils for glide, and pigments for color.
Batch verified.
Every ingredient is tracked by batch number, so quality can be traced from start to finish.
Scan complete.
Logged.
Before mixing, the lab checks incoming materials for purity, texture, and color consistency. Texture's good. Color matches.
Production begins with precise weighing. Small changes can affect hardness and payoff.
2.5, locked.
Perfect.
Oils are added and warmed to help dissolve and spread pigments evenly later on.
Temp is holding.
Next come waxes. These create the stick's shape and help it hold up in the tube.
Wax is in.
Temperature is carefully controlled. Too hot can damage ingredients. Too cool causes clumps.
Holding steady.
Now the most exciting part, pigments. This is where the shade is born.
That's the tone.
Pigments are measured to exact formulas, so every lipstick matches the shade standard.
Formula matched. Pigments are pre-mixed with oil to reduce dust and improve dispersion.
Premix ready.
High-speed mixing breaks apart pigment clusters for smoother, richer color.
Shearing clean.
Many factories also refine the mixture to make the texture ultra-fine and creamy.
That creamy finish.
The pigment paste is blended into the base, turning it into a glossy, molten lipstick mass.
Color's coming in.
At this stage, even mixing is everything. Uneven color means uneven payoff on lips.
Uniform now.
Some formulas add a light fragrance, just enough to feel luxurious without being overpowering.
Just a touch.
Stabilizers and antioxidants help keep the product fresh and prevent changes over time.
Stabilizers in.
Air bubbles can cause holes and cracks, so the batch is often de-aerated under vacuum.
Vacuum's on.
Time for quality control. Samples are taken to test color, texture, and melting behavior.
Sample logged.
The color is checked under controlled lighting to match the target shade exactly.
Match confirmed. A quick swipe test shows opacity, smoothness, and whether the pigment lays evenly.
Even laydown.
Hardness matters. Too soft melts, too hard drags. The formula must hit a sweet spot. Sweet spot.
Once the batch passes inspection, it's released to the filling line.
Release to filling. While the product is prepared, packaging is staged. Tubes, bullets, caps, and labels.
Packaging staged.
Tubes are cleaned or air blasted to remove dust before they ever touch product.
Clean cycle good.
The line arranges tubes precisely, so every fill is the same size and weight.
Aligned and ready.
The molten mixture is kept warm as it travels. Temperature stability preempts defects.
Line temp stable.
Now the iconic moment. The hot lipstick mass is filled into molds or bullet cavities.
Machines control volume precisely, so the bullet forms cleanly with minimal waste.
Perfect fill. Next, cooling. As temperature drops, the lipstick solidifies into its final shape.
Cooling set.
Cooling time is carefully set. Too fast can cause sweating. Too slow reduces efficiency.
Timing locked.
Once set, the bullet is released from the mold with a smooth, glossy surface.
Clean release.
The lipstick bullet is seated into the tube base, ready for finishing.
Seated.
Some lines use gentle heat to polish the surface for that perfect retail shine.
Polish pass complete.
Tip shape matters for application, so the factory keeps the iconic angled point consistent.
Angle matched.
Each unit is inspected for scratches, air holes, color streaks, or uneven tips.
All clear.
Pull it.
Anything imperfect gets removed immediately to protect overall quality. The twist mechanism is tested so it glides up and down without wobble.
Smooth.
Then the cap goes on, sealed tight to prevent drying and protect the bullet.
Caps on.
Labels add shade names, barcodes, and batch codes for tracking and retail scanning.
Print clear.
Machines place labels consistently, so every product looks clean and premium.
Placement perfect.
At this point, each lipstick looks complete, but it still must pass final checks.
Final check.
A weight test confirms each unit meets the exact fill requirement.
Weight passes.
Labs also run stability tests to ensure the product holds up during shipping and storage.
Stability set.
Depending on the formula, they may test transfer resistance, wear, and feel. Transfer noted.
Next comes packaging. Cartons are formed and prepared for each shade.
Cartons ready.
The lipstick is inserted into its box with the correct shade and barcode.
Match okay. Seals protect customers and show the product hasn't been opened.
Seal confirmed.
Batch codes are printed again on the outer packaging for full traceability.
Code verified.
Boxes are grouped for faster packing and easier counting.
12 complete.
Then they're packed into shipping cartons designed to protect them in transit.
Packed tight.
Each case is sealed tightly to prevent damage and contamination.
Seal good.
Shipping labels include destination, product codes, and handling instructions.
Label verified.
Boxes are stacked on pallets, often by robots, for speed and consistency.
Stack looks perfect.
Pallets are wrapped to keep everything stable and protected during transport. Wrap complete.
From here, finished lipsticks move to warehouses and then to stores around the world.
Outbound ready.
Let's recap. Weigh, melt, mix, refine, fill, cool finish, inspect, and pack. All steps complete.
Every shade may look simple, but behind it is a tightly controlled formula and process.
Smooth glide comes from the balance of wax structure and oil slip, crafted in the mix. Silky.
And that final click is more than satisfying. It means the product is protected and ready.
Seal. Every unit is logged, making it easier to manage inventory and ensure authenticity. Logged. Finally, shipments leave the factory, on the way to makeup bags everywhere.
Send it.
From raw wax to a finished shade, this is how lipstick is made at industrial scale.
That's it.
If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes process, subscribe for more factory tours like this.
See you next tour. Comment what factory you want next, and I'll see you in the next one. Cut!